Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making buttermilk biscuits. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cups of buttermilk, and 1/2 cup of cold butter. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Add the butter to the flour until it has a crumb-like consistency. Now pour in the buttermilk and mix until the dry ingredients are just wet. Lightly flour a clean surface, then turn out your dough. Knead and fold your dough, but be careful not to overwork. Using a floured rolling pin, roll out the dough until it is 1/2 inches thick. Cut your biscuits and place them on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Transfer the biscuits to the preheated oven. Allow them to cook for 12 minutes or until they are golden brown. After 12 minutes, remove them from the oven, and now they are ready to serve. These buttermilk biscuits are easy to make and taste great. I really hope you give them a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.